Welcome to our in-depth exploration of risk mitigation strategies in aviation. Today, we're going to unravel how pilots and aviation professionals can identify, analyze, and mitigate risks effectively. Imagine flying through a thunderstorm. The decisions you make, the protocols you follow, are all about risk mitigation. It's about ensuring safety amid the unpredictability of the skies. This process is the backbone of aviation safety and a testament to the industry's commitment to continual improvement. Risk mitigation in aviation is an art and science. It requires a blend of technical knowledge, experience, and foresight. Consider the case of U.S. Airways Flight 1549, which struck a flock of geese and lost all engine power. The crew's decision to land on the Hudson River was an extraordinary example of risk mitigation in action. It demonstrates how understanding the aircraft and environment can lead to making life-saving decisions. Effective risk identification is the first critical step. It's about being as vigilant as a hawk, scanning for potential threats. For example, Air France Flight 447 tragedy highlighted the risk of relying too heavily on automation. This incident underscores the need for pilots to maintain manual flying proficiency and understand the aircraft's behavior in extreme conditions. After identifying risks, it's time for analysis. This is where you weigh the likelihood against potential impact. Let's recall the Gimli glider incident. An erroneous fuel calculation led to a complete loss of power mid-flight. The risk analysis performed by the crew in those critical moments saved lives. This shows the importance of quickly assessing risks under pressure. Planning strategies to mitigate risks involves creative and critical thinking. It's like constructing a safety net. Take the eruption of the Ophioch volcano in 2010. It led to widespread airspace closures due to volcanic ash. Airlines had to develop new flight routes and schedules, showcasing the importance of having flexible mitigation strategies in place. The implementation of these strategies is a crucial phase. It's where plans are put into action. The successful ditching of U.S. Airways Flight 1549 on the Hudson is again a prime example. The crew's ability to implement emergency procedures flawlessly underlines the importance of thorough training and preparation. Training is the cornerstone of risk mitigation. It equips the crew with skills to handle emergencies. The miracle on the Hudson exemplifies this. Captain Sillenberger's experience and training were instrumental in the successful outcome of that flight. Regular simulator training and emergency drills can prepare crews for such unforeseen events. Continuous monitoring and reviewing of strategies is like fine-tuning an engine. It ensures optimal performance. The introduction of TCAS, Traffic Collision Avoidance System, across the industry after a series of mid-air collisions illustrates this point. Regular updates and improvements to TCAS have made it an indispensable tool in avoiding airborne collisions. Learning from experiences, both personal and industry-wide, is invaluable. The grounding of the Boeing 737 MAX fleet following two tragic accidents is a stark reminder of this. These incidents have led to extensive reviews of aircraft design and pilot training, emphasizing the need for constant learning and adaptation in risk mitigation. In conclusion, risk mitigation in aviation is a dynamic, ongoing process requiring constant vigilance and adaptability. It's about preparing for the unexpected and having the skill and wisdom to handle it effectively. As aviation professionals, our relentless pursuit of safety is what makes air travel the safest mode of transportation. Thank you for joining me in this journey through the critical world of aviation risk mitigation.